Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing one of my favorite easy, healthy, flavor-packed recipe, chickpea shawarma pita pockets with a fresh Mediterranean salad and hummus. This recipe is plant-based, high in protein, incredibly satisfying and perfect for lunch or dinner. Let's start with a shawarma style chickpeas. I am using 1 cup of cooked chickpeas, drain and completely dry. Transfer them into bowl and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of shawarma seasoning, half teaspoon of sumac seasoning, half teaspoon of za'atar spice, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Mix everything really well so each chickpea is evenly coated with spice. I'm using 1 cup of chickpeas. These spices together give you that warm, smoky, slightly tangy shawarma flavor. Now transfer the chickpea to your air fryer basket. Set your air fryer to 380 Fahrenheit on crisp mode and cook for 8 minutes. At around the 6-minute mark, add a sliced onion and bell pepper, 1/4 cup, directly into the basket. This adds sweetness, texture and makes the filling more like a real shawarma. Give everything a quick toss and let it finish cooking. The chickpea should be crispy on the outside but soft inside, and the veggies lightly roasted. Once done, set this aside and let's move on to the salad. Now for the Mediterranean salad, we want everything fresh and vibrant. In a bowl, add a half a cup of a chopped cucumber, 1/3 cup of a thinly sliced onion. I'm using chopped onion, 1/4 cup of a chopped tomatoes, and I'm using half tomatoes, and 2 tablespoons of a marinated olives and feta cheese. Now season this salad with a za'atar spice, 1/4 teaspoon of sumac seasoning, and 1/4 teaspoon of a paprika. Add a half a lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of a salt, and a little black pepper. Finish with a generous handful of a fresh parsley and cilantro. Mix everything gently. This salad is a bright, herby, tangy, and balances the warm spices of the chickpea perfectly. Next, lightly toast your pita bread. You can do this on a pan, in the toaster, or even in the air fryer for a minute. Carefully open the pita pockets. Try not to tear them. Now start assembling, adding a generous spoon of the crispy shawarma chickpeas. Then add a good amount of the Mediterranean salad for freshness and crunch. Drizzle everything together with a creamy tzatziki sauce. If you love extra flavor, don't be shy here. Finish the pita pockets with a light sprinkle of za'atar spice on top. I love serving these pita pockets with a hummus on the side and extra salad. It turns this into a complete nourishing meal that feels indulgent but is actually very healthy. These chickpea shawarma pita pockets are high in protein, full of fiber, full of flavor, naturally vegetarian, and packed with bold Mediterranean flavors. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments how you would customize your pita, extra spicy, extra sauce, or extra veggie. Thank you.